It's winter, it's chilly, I have a jacket on, and there's already talks about the newer generation, AirPods, the AirPods 3. But there's a catch. These AirPods are said not to have noise cancellation. So, very recently, I've been seeing a lot of articles talking about this leaker that goes by the Alex. And according to some sources, they have a accuracy of 75%. So 75% still is a good possibility. That AirPods 3 is likely it's coming out soon, maybe by spring of next year, if all goes well. So interesting things. They're said to be a lighter version of currently what we have with the AirPods Pro. A light version because, as I previously mentioned, it's not going to have active noise cancellation and are rumored to be slightly redesigned. Now Forbes has this render image on their website, which I think are actually really interesting. I'm not a fan that the AirPods themselves don't have a full protection around them when they're placed in the charging case, because there's nothing protecting them. It's just hanging there, but I think it looks pretty dope. And it's rumored that these are gonna start at $199. Now I can see that being a possibility, especially now since the AirPods 2 can be easily found around this price tag with the wireless charging case, as it's an older model that got released back in 2019 in March. Because if I search right now on Amazon, AirPods 2 with just a standard case, you can find it at $124, which is not a bad price. And with the wireless charging case, it's about $159. So if AirPods 3 do come out sometime next year, $199 seems to be reasonable. Now, something that got my attention about this is rumored that it's gonna contain the same H1 chip. Saying this is like saying as if the current generation iPhones are still using an old processor that was released on the iPhone 11. But taking into consideration that the only thing that the H1 chip can do is just allow your device to pair a lot more efficiently to your current Apple devices, as well as the hands-free Hey Siri function. In other words, the H1 chip was released back in 2019 in March inside AirPods 2. Hopefully there's a way that Apple can enhance that current chip so it could be the next generation of that chip, like the H2 instead of the H1, not the Hummers. So somewhat confusing on what's going on here with this rumored, but I am all down and looking forward to AirPods 3, especially if they do get a new redesign that makes it more compatible to fit easily on everybody's ears, because that's an issue that a lot of folks still experience with the first generation AirPod design, is that there's a lot of fitting issues where there's certain folks, I know a couple of my friends do, required to buy third-party accessories to make them fit in their ear canal a lot easier. Hopefully, if Apple does do a new redesign with the AirPods 3, it should be more compatible and shouldn't have this fitting issues anymore. And of course, it's very likely, I hope so, that wireless charging will be standard for the third generation AirPods. So yeah, what was originally rumored to be called AirPods Lite looks like this will be the AirPods 3. What's my personal say about this is, yes, I do think and believe that it is time for AirPods, especially AirPods 2, since it's still using the older design, to be fully redesigned to be more compatible and easy to fit in everybody's ears. In terms of features, I'm just hoping that they do enhance the H1 chip and actually evolve it to the next generation, to the H2, and hopefully giving it a much better battery life and better sounding speakers. Microphone, AirPods 1, even the AirPods 2, always had a fantastic microphone for both indoors and outdoors. Other than that, that's all we know so far about the next generation standard casual AirPods, I'll call them. If you enjoyed this type of quick overview videos of some possibly upcoming leaks of future products from Apple, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss more. Other than that, if you wish to continue watching more of my videos, you can go ahead and watch this video over here as I go through some hidden settings and such that you should definitely be aware of that you could do on your Apple Watch to get the most out of that device. And in that video over there, that's just a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, happy holidays, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.